Hi everybody, I'm John McElroy with Best Care Home Services. We're here today with another tip for our 30 tips in 30 days of July on how to beat the heat. Today we're going to be covering how to use your programmable thermostat to run your air conditioner more efficiently in these hot summer days. We have two examples of a non-programmable thermostat here. This is going to be a basic programmable thermostat, pardon me. It's not controlled by your phone. It has no Wi-Fi capabilities. It just has programming available so that you can set it to be off when you're not home for the majority of the day and to come on, say, 30 minutes before you head home. That way your home is cooling again, but it keeps your energy use down throughout the day. This other thermostat here is a Wi-Fi compatible thermostat. This is a higher end trained thermostat. This is an XL1050i. It offers a multitude of different options. But as far as for this video, we're just going to be talking about the program options in it. This thing has an away mode, a home mode, an echo mode. It's able to do a lot more than what your basic thermostat is, and we're not going to get real in detail to it. But basically, you want to set these things to, you go to work at 7:30 in the morning, you want that system to shut off by 7:45, you're out of the house. You want it off, you get off at 3:30 in the afternoon, you want it off until 3 o'clock. It comes back on, it starts cooling your house down, but that whole time you've been gone, it has a default setting, let's say 78 degrees. So it keeps your home around 78 degrees. During the hours you're not home, maybe 80 degrees, and then before you get home it starts cooling. Let's say you got it set to 74, so it'll bring it back down to 74 degrees before you get home. And that'll cut down on a large majority of your energy use throughout the summertime. A question we get asked a lot is what's a good setting to leave your thermostat on. 78 is actually an ideal setting for maximum efficiency use of the unit. When you start setting it lower than that, it starts adding to utility costs, because if it's 74 in your house and you set it to 67 to try and get it to cool faster, it's not going to cool any faster, but it is going to run a lot longer, because what will happen is you may forget you set it that low, and then you let it run all night long trying to get there, and until it cools off outside, it's not going to be able to reach those temperatures. So use the programming in your thermostats and use it wisely, and hopefully this tip will help you out. So check back with us again tomorrow for another tip on how to beat the heat in this summer heat. Again, I'm John McElroy with Best Care Home Services. Thanks for watching.